Have you ever witnessed the terrifying power of nature? From earthquakes that shake the earth to tsunamis that swallow entire cities, these moments make us shudder and admire the brutal power of nature. Join Protect Nature to discover 50 incredible moments, 50 reminders of the importance of respecting and protecting our planet. Stories of the majesty and danger of nature will make you reflect on the place of humans in this vast universe. The forest was burning fiercely, the flames rising high into the sky. Homes and businesses were flooded, with mud and debris strewn across the streets. Snowplows are trying to clear the snow to make way for traffic. The flood came, inundating the town and covering every street. The volcanic explosion was accompanied by a huge ash cloud that covered the sky with a thick layer of black clouds. Severe snowstorm causes serious traffic disruption, with thick snow covering roads. Thunder and lightning continuously struck the sky, signaling a big storm was about to hit. Hail fell, the cold and hard stones like bullets hitting the ground. Large forest fire spread quickly and fiercely in the dark night, making the whole area bright. Nature is so scary. Super typhoon with extremely strong wind gusts attacks fiercely. House fire caused by nearby forest fire spread and reached residential area. The phenomenon signals a super typhoon about to make landfall with great destructive power, truly terrifying. The storm, with its huge amount of rain, has flooded and caused widespread flooding, destroying infrastructure and threatening people's lives. Storms at sea create huge waves. After the storm, trees fell everywhere, broken and scattered. Wildfire spreads near residential area. Flames threaten neighboring homes. Forest firefighters are trying to control and extinguish the fires in the forest. The floodwaters rushed in, causing severe damage to infrastructure. Storm with terrible winds and heavy rain. A raging storm swept through, with strong winds and pouring rain. Forest fire is a phenomenon when fire breaks out and spreads in a forest area, causing great environmental damage. A blizzard with terrible power, carrying cold winds and heavy snowfall, covering everything in sight. Large forest fire, fierce fire, thick smoke covering the sky is scary. The storm with fierce winds lifted the roof up to the sky. The destructive power of nature is truly terrifying. Continuous heavy rain for many hours like this can potentially lead to flooding, causing a lot of damage to people. The devastation of storms is terrifying. Storms and rains have knocked down trees and damaged roads, causing traffic disruption. A terrible storm is engulfing the city. Huge chunks of ice fell with a loud rumble, creating a wave of water as violent as an icy earthquake. Oh my God! The electric pole is about to be knocked down by the storm. It's dangerous. The hail fell thicker and thicker. A thick layer of snow suddenly slid down the mountainside, creating a white whirlwind. The flood swept in, causing serious destruction wherever it passed. Hailstorm with terrible wind. The lava flowed out, burning and blackening everything around. Floods cause water to rise, sweeping everything away, turning the landscape into a vast sea of water. A sandstorm with terrible winds was sweeping through, covering everything in dust and obscuring everything in sight. Continuous rain causes land subsidence, causing a terrifying scene. People are in danger. The dam broke, the river water rushed out like a flood. After the storm, everything was devastated. Nature is so scary. The sandstorm swept through, turning the entire area into a blanket of dust, covering everything in a thick layer of sand. The devastation of the storm was terrible. A huge tornado with lightning is destroying everything. The storm, with its fierce winds, knocked down and broke trees terribly. The flood from the mountain rushed down, rolling with terrible destruction. The Great Flood is sweeping everything away, causing heavy damage. The tsunami suddenly rose and hit. The storm is destroying everything. It's terrible. The flood swept away the house. The cat is in danger in the storm and flood. Cars are being swept away by the flood. It's dangerous. The flood is engulfing the town. The journey to discover majestic natural phenomena with Protect Nature has come to an end, leaving us with indescribable emotions. Those powerful moments are not only a testament to the extraordinary power of nature, but also a reminder of each person's responsibility in protecting the environment and preparing to respond to the challenges that nature poses. Please like, share this video, and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss out on the next exciting content. Let's join hands to protect the Earth, our common home, and remember that every small action contributes to creating a big change. See you again in the next journeys of discovery.